Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil, and makeup. Cleanse the face using a facial cleanser, and then evenly apply toner. Face RF, lifting and firming. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Evenly apply RF cream to the face. Move the handle in circular motions across 3 facial areas. Glide upward along the chin, sweep from the center of the face to the side of the cheek, and lift upward toward the hairline on the forehead. Glide the handle across 3 facial areas, move upward along the chin, sweep from the center of the face to the side of the cheek, and lift upward toward the hairline on the forehead. Cleanse the face with a cleansing wipe. Lipo laser reshapes the jawline profile. Settings. Duration, 20 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, M1. Secure the small laser pads on the chin with the strap. Activate the treatment and wait for 20 minutes. Take out the laser pads and remove the strap. Apply a mask to the face. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, serum, and cream.